This is the pendulum exercise. These are in the range of motion phase. Very good to use right after surgery for the shoulder. They're to be done in the passive range of motion. So as you can see in the video, you want to use your uninvolved, uninjured arm to help stabilize. You're using your trunk, legs, and hips to help you move, which allows your arm to then passively move through the range of motion and into flexion or whatever direction you're working on. You don't want to use your arm to move it. The point is for it to all be a passive motion. The current exercise prescription is 3 sets of 15 to 20 seconds. You could progress to about 4 sets, but the goal is to move into the next phase of rehab. You could regress to 3 sets of 10 if 20 seconds feels a little too long for the patient and you want to stop if they start experiencing pain with their motion during activity.